Hello everyone, welcome back to Back Tech Product. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you one of the best wired gaming mice on the market, the best gaming mouse. Whether you're a casual gamer or a pro, this mouse promises performance and comfort that can really level up your gameplay. So stay tuned as we dive deep into the details. Let's get started. Product features, design and build quality. First, let's discuss the design and build quality of the Model O. It features an ambidextrous design, making it comfortable for both left and right-handed users, which is a big plus since most gaming mice favor right-handed players. Its honeycomb shell construction makes it incredibly lightweight, reducing hand fatigue during long gaming sessions. Despite being light, the mouse remains durable and built to withstand intense use without worrying about wear and tear. Cable and movement. Moving on, one of the coolest features of the Model O is its ultra-flexible ascended paracord cable. Unlike regular mouse cables that can tug or cause drag, this cable is designed to feel almost like you're using a wireless mouse. It's super flexible and barely noticeable, allowing your hand to move freely without resistance. This makes your movement smoother and more precise, something every gamer appreciates. Mouse feet and glide. Now, let's talk about the mouse feet, often an overlooked detail but very important for gameplay. The Model O uses 100% pure virgin PTFE mouse feet, which means the mouse glides incredibly smoothly across your mousepad, almost like it's skating on ice. This low friction is a game changer, especially if you need to make fast, precise movements during competitive play. Performance and features. The Model O is built for competitive gaming, featuring pixel-perfect tracking and zero mouse acceleration to ensure precise, lag-free cursor movement. With a 1000 Hz polling rate, it reports your actions to the computer 1000 times per second, enhancing responsiveness. Its liftoff distance is under 0.7 millimeters, preventing unintentional cursor movement when repositioning. Plus, 6 programmable buttons support macros for customization. Durability and switches. Durability is key for gaming peripherals, and the Model O doesn't disappoint. Its honeycomb shell helps reduce weight without sacrificing strength. Inside, it uses Omron switches rated for 20 million clicks, so you can expect long-lasting performance even after thousands of hours of gaming. Pros. Ambidextrous design suitable for all users. Ultra lightweight for less fatigue. Ascended paracord cable for drag-free movement. Smooth PTFE mouse feet for excellent glide. Pixel-perfect tracking and zero acceleration. 1000 Hz polling rate and ultra-low liftoff distance. 6 programmable buttons with macro support. Durable honeycomb shell and long-lasting Omron switches. Cons. Honeycomb design might allow dust or dirt to accumulate inside. No wireless option, which some users may prefer. Glossy finish may show fingerprints easily. Final thoughts. So, is the glorious Model O wired gaming mouse worth it? Absolutely. It combines a lightweight, durable design with top-notch performance features that serious gamers need. Whether you play FPS, MOBA, or any other genre, this mouse offers precision, speed, and comfort that can elevate your gameplay. If you're looking for a gaming mouse that delivers excellent value, pro-level features, and a design that suits everyone, the Model O is a fantastic choice. Check out the price link in the description below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button on Back Tech Product for more awesome tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.